My name is Stacy Schwartz, and I'm the Associate Attorney at the Flammia Elder Law Firm. We're living in an age where information about practically anything is now available online. You can find a YouTube video on just about any subject. While that's a good thing, there's a definite downside. The wide availability of information has created what I call a false sense of competence. Everyone thinks that they're just a few clicks away from being an expert. Think about it. Let's say you have a sharp pain in your gut. Would you try to diagnose it yourself and perform your own surgery? Probably not. Some things in life are best left to the experts. Even the experts turn to experts in certain situations. You won't find a dentist filling her own cavity. Preparing an essential estate planning documents has become a common do-it-yourself project. Maybe you know people who have completed wills, powers of attorney, or set up a trust using documents from an online source. It seems so easy. You download the documents, fill them out, get them notarized, and you're done. You relax thinking you're covered. But are you really? When you're downloading one-size-fits-all documents from the internet, it's easy to forget that there are questions that only an expert can help you answer. Is your document customized to fit your exact situation? Will it hold up in court? What will you do if the document is contested? What if you unintentionally disinherit someone, delay the distribution of assets, or end up in probate court? What if your heirs end up with an unexpected tax bill? These things, and more, have happened to people who went the do-it-yourself route. They didn't know what they didn't know. If you think that the so-called legal service websites will stand behind the documents you download from them, think again. They offer very little in the way of guarantees. LegalZoom, one of the most popular sources for DIY estate planning, has the following disclaimer on its website. We are not a law firm or a substitute for an attorney or a law firm. We cannot provide any kind of advice, explanation, opinion, or recommendation about possible legal rights, remedies, defenses, options, selection of forms, or strategies. Why would an online service that sells legal documents have such a disclaimer? Drafting your own estate planning documents is like trying to perform your own knee replacement with a manual you've downloaded from the internet. Imagine that manual having a disclaimer that says, "We are not an orthopedic surgeon's office or a substitute for an actual orthopedic surgeon." I'm not saying that the do-it-yourself approach is wrong for everyone. If you're a single person with one beneficiary and no property, legal forms you download from the internet might be just fine. But if your life situation is more complicated, legal documents you get online won't be sufficient. If you have ex-spouses, stepchildren, multiple beneficiaries, dependents with special needs, business transitions, or substantial assets like homes or businesses, then forget it. Any sort of do-it-yourself estate planning approach will be a risky proposition. Forms you download from the internet will rarely include the specific provisions necessary to ensure the successful protection and transfer of your assets. Before you make the decision to do it yourself, consider this. Will the money you save in legal fees offset the potential cost, headache, and family conflict that might be created by the innocent mistake you had no idea you were making? Face-to-face planning may seem old-fashioned, but in the end, expertise really matters. When you're ready to plan, give us a call.